Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Last night, Mark and I went out for a beautiful dinner. And then, we realized a big problem. We didn't have our keys. In this video, I will show you what happened when we were locked out in the cold. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's start.
That was a great dinner, Emma.
Yes, it was so good. I loved the food.
The restaurant was very nice too.
I know. I am very happy tonight.
Me too. It is a beautiful evening.
Yes, but look at the sky, Mark.
Oh, the sky is very dark now.
I think it will rain soon.
Yes, I think you are right.
Let's walk faster, Mark.
Good idea. Our home is close.
Yes, just around the corner. Oh no! The rain started.
It is very strong. Let's go.
I am already wet.
Run to the door, Emma.
Yes, I am running.
We are here. The door is right here.
Good. Let's go inside quickly.
Yes. Do you have the key, Emma?
The key? I thought you have it.
No, I don't have it. You have it.
Mark? I don't have the key.
What? Where is the key?
Wait, let me check my bag.
Okay, please hurry, Emma.
I am looking.
I am checking my pockets too.
It is not in my bag, Mark.
It is not in my pockets either.
Check your jacket pockets again.
I am checking. No, nothing.
Check your back pockets too.
Emma, I don't have the key.
I don't have it either.
Did you forget the keys inside?
Mark, I think the keys are inside.
Oh no, we are locked out.
We are locked out in the rain.
This is not good, Emma.
I am freezing and wet.
Me too. I am very cold.
What do we do now, Mark?
Wait, let me think.
Please think fast. I am so cold.
Okay, don't worry.
I am trying not to worry.
We will find a solution, I promise. Emma, come here. Look at this.
What is it, Mark? What do you see?
Look through the window.
Okay, I am looking.
Do you see the table?
Yes, I see the table.
Look on top of the table.
Oh, the keys! The keys are there!
Yes, the keys are on the table.
They are right there, inside.
We left the keys on the table.
Oh, Mark, we are so silly. Mark, can you open the door?
I am trying. It is very strong.
Push harder, Mark.
I am pushing. It does not move.
Try the handle again.
The handle is locked. It will not open.
This door is very strong.
Yes, I cannot open it.
Okay, stop, Mark. Don't hurt yourself.
You are right. I will stop.
We need another plan.
Yes, we need help.
Let me call someone for help.
Good idea. Call the landlord.
Oh no, my phone battery is very low.
How low?
Only 5%. It is almost dead.
What? That is very low.
I know. I need to hurry.
What about my phone? Let me check.
How much do you have?
8%, not much at all.
We need to be fast, Mark.
Yes, we need to call someone right now. Let's try the neighbor's door.
Yes, good idea. They can help us.
I hope someone is home.
Me too. Please be home.
Okay, I will knock now.
Yes. Knock, Mark.
Hello? Is anyone home?
Knock again. Maybe they did not hear.
Hello? We need help, please.
I hear something. Someone is coming.
Good. Stay calm, Emma.
I am calm, but I am very cold.
Oh, hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. We really need help.
We are very sorry to bother you.
No, it is okay. What happened?
We are locked out of our apartment.
Oh dear, that is terrible.
Yes, the keys are inside on the table.
We are very wet and very cold.
Oh, you poor things. Please come in.
Thank you so much. You are so kind.
Thank you. We really appreciate it. Can we please use your phone?
Of course, here you go.
Thank you. I will call our landlord.
Yes, good idea. The landlord will have a key.
Hello, Mr. Davis? This is Mark from apartment 3. Yes, we are locked out. Can you help us, please? You're coming? Oh, thank you so much.
What did he say, Mark?
He is coming. He will be here in 10 minutes.
Oh, thank goodness.
Mr. Davis, thank you so much for coming. No problem at all. I came as fast as I could.
We are so sorry to call you at night.
It is okay. Do not worry. This happens sometimes.
We left our keys inside on the table.
That is okay. Let me find the right key here. Yes, please. Take your time. Here it is. I think this is the one.
Oh, please open it. We are so cold.
There you go. The door is open. The door is open. Emma, look.
Oh, thank goodness. We are finally saved. Home. Sweet home.
Yes, it feels so good to be inside.
Thank you so much, Mr. Davis. You saved us.
No problem at all. Have a good and warm night. You are so kind. Thank you again. Good night, and please remember your keys next time.
Yes, we will. We promise.
I will always check my pockets now. Always.
And I will always check my bag before we leave.
Good plan. Now let's make some hot tea.
Yes, hot tea is a perfect idea right now.
Home, sweet home, Emma. Home, sweet home.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.